Good day to drive, especially in this 2025 Ford Bronco Big Bend with desert sand exterior, gray and black interior, sitting for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Desirable features include removable hardtop, roof rack and rails, selectable drive modes, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle and would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. And now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's take a look inside. A net for storage in the door and power locks, grab handle in the body. Your driver's seat is manual with manual lumbar. All weather mats on the floor with the Bronco badging, your electronic parking brake and light controls. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, lane keeping assist and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with your 4-pass Connect system with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and other functions, and we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. Above it, your hazard light, traction control and trailer lock. Below, your volume and tuner, auto start and stop, dual climate control system with heated seats, air conditioning, defrost and other functions, room for storage below with a USB and USB-C charging ports, your gear shift dial and 2 cup holders, your G.O.A.T modes, which means goes over any terrain to switch your driving modes depending on the road and weather conditions, your power mirror and window controls, console with storage below and a 12-volt outlet, your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, light controls, and your removable hardtop. 17-inch wheels, running boards, black door handles with intelligent access, privacy glass at the back windows, roof rack and rails, cabless easy fuel filler on the driver's side. In the rear, your backup camera would be in the middle of your spare tire. Sensors on the back bumper, tow hooks. To open your swing gate, just grab the handle and open it. Then you can pull up your flip-up glass. And here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, cargo mat making it easy for cleaning, speaker in the body, a 12-volt outlet and lightning to enhance your nighttime visibility when you're putting stuff in the cargo area. And when you're done, start by pushing down your flip-up glass, then closing your swing gate, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Net in the door for storage, grab handle in the body. The seating is for 3 60/40 split, which means you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats down. To do so, just pull the tab, fold your seat down. Here you access the cargo area, anchors to tether a baby seat, and when you're done, just lift your seat up. An armrest with 2 cup holders, all weather mats on the floor, slim pockets behind the front seats, your power window controls and air vents, 110-volt outlet and USB-C charging ports, grab handle behind the driver's seat, your removable hardtop, and your dome light. Backup camera in the rear, privacy glass at the back windows, roof rack and rails, running boards, LED headlights, tow hooks, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you and we'd love to hear your comments.